On the outside, my parents and my family thought that I was really a model student because my grades were good. They were high, and they always saw me studying. But during the times that they were not looking, I was really battling a lot of addictions. I'm an alcoholic. I also tried to look for affirmation. I engaged in casual sexual encounters, not only with the opposite sex but also with the same gender, because I could not get the satisfaction that I'm seeking. I was just really attending a school or a university recollection. At first, I didn't really want to attend. But then, our colleague who was the facilitator shared about forgiveness. At first, I was just listening. He shared that you must forgive others. But before you forgive others, you must forgive yourself first. That's when I think the Holy Spirit spoke to me and asked, have you already forgiven yourself? I now realize that I really wasted a lot of time looking for my identity in a lot of things, in material things, in casual encounters, in relationships, either with men or women, in my positions before, and everything that I had. So I think during that time, it was the Holy Spirit who really acted and really impressed to my heart that it's time to really let go, surrender, and really go back to the Lord and ask forgiveness of everything that I did during my past life. I started to join a D group and attending Sunday service, and my perspective of God as a loving God really started to develop. Now I realized that I only have one identity, and my identity is as a son of God. And all of those former identities, they are really now immaterial. For now, I am really just reliant on the Lord's daily grace, day by day. There are still struggles, there are still battles, but the Lord is always there to help me win those battles.